In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Google Sheets so that you only see the mail data. This is a super handy skill when you want to focus on specific data within a larger dataset, and it's surprisingly easy to do. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you're going to want to open up your Google Sheets document. Once you've got that up on your screen, we'll be focusing on those rows of data you're working with. We need to start by highlighting the headings of your dataset. These are the labels at the very top row that describe the data you're working with, like name, age, gender, and so on. Click and drag your cursor over these heading cells to highlight them. Once you've highlighted the headings, go ahead and right-click on any of these highlighted cells. A menu will appear with several different options you can choose from. Look closely through this menu and find the option that says Create a Filter. Click on it. You'll notice something interesting happens across your headings. A tiny icon appears next to each one. This icon is going to be key in helping us sort and filter the data you want to see. Now that you have these icons in place, the next step is to focus on your objective of filtering only the male data. To do this, find the column heading that corresponds to gender, or whichever term is used in your dataset for male and female categorizations. Once you've found it, move over to that small icon next to the heading and give it a click. When you click the icon, a drop-down menu will show up. This menu allows us to make more precise selections. In this list, you'll see all the options or entries present under that column heading. In this case, you'll see both male and female. Since you want to focus solely on the male data, you need to unselect female. Usually, there's a small checkbox next to each category, and all are checked by default. Simply click the checkbox next to female to deselect this option, leaving only male checked. Once you're happy with your selection, just click OK in that drop-down menu. And voila! You've successfully filtered your data, and now you should only see the rows where the gender is listed as male. This view allows you to analyze or work with just the male data without any distractions from other data entries. And that's it. You've just mastered a powerful feature in Google Sheets that can help you navigate and analyze your datasets with greater ease and efficiency. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips and tutorials like this one.